Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to view bank statements on QuickBooks Online in 2025. If you're a small business owner or an accountant, this feature is essential for keeping your finances organized and up to date. QuickBooks Online makes it super straightforward, so let's dive right in and get you viewing those statements in no time. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already, just head to the QuickBooks website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Banking. That's your gateway to all your financial transactions. Next, you'll see a list of your connected bank accounts. Select the one you want to view statements for by clicking on it. QuickBooks pulls in your bank data automatically, so this should be quick and seamless. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the account overview, look for the Statements or Transactions tab. Click on it, and you'll see options to view recent statements. For 2025, QuickBooks has updated its interface, so you might notice a cleaner layout with filters to select specific date ranges or statement periods. Just choose the one you need, and hit View or Download PDF to access it. If you're reconciling accounts, QuickBooks allows you to compare these statements with your records right there. Double-check the details like dates, amounts, and transactions to ensure everything matches. This helps catch any discrepancies early. And that's it, you've successfully viewed your bank statements in QuickBooks Online. This tool not only saves time but also keeps your books accurate for taxes and audits. If you run into any issues, check the help section or reach out to QuickBooks support. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.